Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to directly install Delta Executor iOS Mobile v2.686 on your iPhone or iPad. No complicated setup, no PC required, just a smooth direct install, so you can start using Delta Executor right away. Let's dive into it. Open Safari, then go to applejr.xyz website. Head over to the direct install link for Delta Executor. Tap the install button when the page loads. After tapping install, you will see a Delta Executor on your home screen. Once installed, if you try to open Delta Executor and see the untrusted developer message, just go to Settings. General, hit VPN and Device Management. Select the developer profile and tap Trust. This will let the app run normally on your iOS device. Now go back to your home screen. You should see the Delta Executor icon. Tap it and it will open without issues. Here's the new version, fully working, smooth performance, and optimized for iOS mobile. And that's it. You've just installed Delta Executor iOS Mobile v2.686 directly on your iPhone or iPad. If this tutorial helped you, hit that like button and leave your comment down below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.